Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how you can send Ton from Binance to Tonkeeper, and this is actually very simple. At first head over to Binance, and then if you're on your desktop, then you need to click on this icon over here and then click on Spot. If you're on your mobile phone, then you simply need to click on your wallet and then under Spot. Now over here what we're going to do is click on Ton if you find Ton under Spot. If you don't, then directly just click on Withdraw. And then you have to select the coin. So we're going to select Ton coin over here and then withdraw to. What we'll do is we'll open our Tonkeeper right over here, and then you're going to click on receive, and then you see this is your Ton coin receiving address. You just copy this address and then you need to paste it and then click on confirm, and then as you can see Ton is the network which is automatically, and then you need to put in the withdraw amount. As you can see, the minimal is 0.4. so let's say we want to send 4 Ton, things like that, and then you're going to click on withdraw, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.